Okay, so guys, this is how to download Amino app. So if you want this app on your device, head straight to your phone menu and try to search for your Google Play Store app. So when you find it, just tap on it. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on the search apps, then search in for Amino. So this is Amino. You tap over here, then now tap on install to get it on your device. And as you can see right now, it has started installing. So you have to wait for it to install or for it to download from 0 to 100, and after that you are going to get it installed on your device successfully. So guys, let's wait as it is downloading. So as you can see, it's almost 100%, and now it is installing. It has finished with the downloading, so let's wait for it to get installed successfully on our device. So let's moving on. So guys, let's keep on watching. So it's going to finish within some few minutes. Sometimes when it is installing, it takes some minutes. So let's wait, guys. It's going to finish right now. So as you can see, we are done with the installation, and there is it. Tap over here to open to check the app. So now, as you can see, when you check over here, you're going to see it's showing the notification over here. So as you can see, unable to send the request. So I'll be fixing this, okay, in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video, and this is Amino App.